this shit don't feel as good as it look. I'ma keep it real with you. I'm straight though. The street shit made me what I am today. Niggas know I went so hard for this shit. I deserve this shit, niggas.
Hi guys, so basically I'm going to be giving you guys the report of everything that happened last week and why I was not able to do the video. Now, if I should check this particular screen right here, you can see I'm currently on the live account on the funded next. That's a very good news. We have a good news and a bad news. The good news is that I'm on a live account on the funded next, meaning I've passed phase 1 and I've passed phase 2. So our initial investment, which was $500 and something from the $1,000 that we took money from, which went to $10,000 last time we did the video. There are just two deals. First, I'm currently on the live account, and secondly, we're on the drawdown. You can see I've been trading for 4 days and we're currently on minus 4.06 drawdown. That was because last week was very, very bad. That's why we are currently on this particular drawdown. But I am certain that we will come out from this particular drawdown. Okay? It's not too big. So the idea of what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to try as much as possible to be risking maybe 0.75 per trade to see how to come back first. Our goal is to come back from this drawdown. Then from there, since we have 30 days to trade, then from there we can now start looking forward to making profit. So the second one is, you can see on this my account here, don't mind the balance that's showing here. This is for my other accounts, okay? But for the account I'm trading on for this particular challenge, right? You can see it is minus 6948. Minus 6948 in the last 7 days. That is what happened in the last 7 days. We had a loss. Unlike last week where we had a profit of $11,000 plus, this week we had a minus 9,480. That's why it's also reflecting on our funded next to that we had a loss. So last week was not really good, but this week hopefully is going to be very, very good. We're going to make back all our losses and become profitable. So this is the stuff that happened. So this brings our account from $10,000 to $3,597. Now this $3,597, right, is from $1,000, if you guys can remember, and from that $1,000 we're able to scale it up as high as $10,000 plus. And in $10,000 plus, remember, we bought a prop firm from there, we made trades from there. And the crazy part is that in this particular amount of money, we also did, personally, I also did a withdrawal for myself of $5,000. So meaning this account went as high as $16,000, and I did a withdrawal of $5,000, and that's why the account is currently on $3,508 something. But this is still very good. Now let me show you guys some of the trades that I took, some of the trades I'm expecting to take in this trading view. Now, this was what caused our loss. Let me make this to be wide. Let's make this screen to be wide. Yes, you can see the first trade. This is one of the trades that I took that caused our loss. This one here. And why did I take this trade? I took it because if you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see, I may not be able to see all the underlying, but you can see that price was on our support zone, resistance zone, and it reacted a bit, and I thought it was supposed to start coming down, so I took in the trade, and unfortunately stopped me out. The second trade I took was after a break to the upside. You can see markets as giving bullish momentum, and this was a very strong bullish momentum. We entered a trade here under lower time frame confirmations, and it still stopped me out. So that was the second trade, and that's why you can see that the account went to minus something. And this was the last trade for the week, which I took, which was also a loss. You can see this trade was back to that same zone that I was looking out for, and I expected price to react positively to the upside, which it did. You can see, let me just zoom in for you. It gave a lot of reactions down here, showing that price was about to start going up, and immediately I entered for a confirmation on the lower time frame, it spiked down, and that's what resulted to my loss. So I didn't enter any other trade. I just chilled out because I'm already minus 4% on my live prop firm, and I'm also down 6,000 plus on the live account. Okay, so the goal now is for me to just make the profit back. We're in June. Today is June 1st, 2025. So we have this month. I'm so optimistic about this month, and I know that we're going to make all the money that we lost from the market back. So what I'm looking at now, if you go to higher time frame, like the daily time frame, let me just do a small analysis for you guys to show you what I'm expecting. Now you can see on the daily time frame that, okay, I like clearing my charts when it's a new month, so we just did that. Now you can see on the daily time frame right here that price came to this particular zone, this region, and that was the region that it has been respecting for a while after clearing out this liquidity that was in this point here. So it has been respecting this region, and that's what has sponsoring it up. So I still expect price to still push up, but we need to first clear out liquidity. Now what's liquidity are we looking at? We're looking at this trend and liquidity right here. So we might likely have a pullback, though we have had a pullback to this key level. You can see this key level is still respecting and is pushing up. So this small one can likely push back to the upside, because overall we are still very bullish on gold, as you can see. So whatever pullback we are having is normal, and likely we can see a push to the upside. So if you can see this for the daily time frame, you can also see in 4-hour time frame. Sorry, 4-hour time frame, not 4 minutes. Oh, just switch to DXY. Let me take it back to my gold. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, it looks more clearer. You can see this is the key level that we respected from, and this is the zone that is respecting the bullish momentum. And you can see that even the zone that is respecting the bullish momentum is trying to create new highs, but for now we have not broken the higher lows. You can see this is the first higher low, second higher low, the third higher low. So until we can break up, that is only when we can now see that price is bullish. So for now, we're just going to observe the market to see, since it's not respecting this zone, instead it has given me a lot of stop losses from this zone. We're going to wait patiently to see if we can have something like this in the market, maybe something down here, then a push to the upside. So immediately it breaks a new higher low, then we can now start seeing buys, because the new higher low, you can see, let me just mark it out for you and leave you guys with this. This is the highs, or let me just use this marker. This is the highs, this is the low, this is the new high, higher low, low. This is the higher low, no, higher high, higher low, oh sorry, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the next lower high. And for now, as you can see, this is a low. It's not lower than the former low, so it's not going to be called a lower low. But if you can break this particular high, then just know that we're going to be being very bullish, because that is the current high in the market. Okay, so this is my analysis, and this is what I expect the market to do. And if this can happen, we can be able to make profit. So we're going to just reduce the whole tension of trading every time, and we're going to instead be observing what the market is going to be doing. And also I'm going to be looking into this particular point here to see a reaction of what it's going to do, to see if I'm going to just catch it from here, or I'm going to just wait patiently for it to break this high and catch it above like this. So this is my own thoughts about what I'm expecting, and hopefully you learn something new from this. This has given me a lot of profits. Just because of the minor losses doesn't mean that, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Losses are inevitable and it's normal. Okay, so guys, enjoy the rest of this video as you see the rest of my day. And also, if you like what I am doing, try as much as possible to like, subscribe, follow. Please make sure that you subscribe on this particular channel, I'm trying to grow the channel so that I can inspire young people and show that it's possible. Not young people, inspire everybody. Show that it's possible for you to actually grow a small account, not just pulling all the money inside the account, but growing it systematically and seeing yourself grow. And also, I'm trying to do this so that I can, reach out to more people. Okay. Also, if you are somebody that wants to make money and also be able to withdraw your money fast, try as much as possible to use my broker, Xness. Xness is a very, very good broker. You can see I brought it back to this place now. You can see this is Xness, fast withdrawal, fast deposit, no stress, no hassle, just withdrawal deposit as fast as you can deposit, as fast as you can withdraw. There's no delay. You can withdraw as high as 1 million in a day, and it's not going to flinch for more than 1 minute. That's how good they are. So I'll drop the link below this description. Kindly use it. And also, if you want a profit that is reliable, a profit that is not going to give you any issue, use Funded Next. I'm using Funded Next. Funded Next is a profit I've been using for quite some time now. This is it. Funded Next. Use Funded Next. Funded Next is very good. You can see I'm on my live stage. No hidden rules. They will tell you this is what is happening, this is how you should go about it. And yeah, I've been using them, and so far so good. It has been awesome. You can see the starts of my trading journey has been since May 27th, and today's date is, I think, okay, the next payout time is going to be June 17th. So we're going to try as much as possible to make money till June 17th, so that we can be able to request for payouts and be able to stop. I love you guys.